is now. Time and time past as two men in one man. As travel span the years, and each station in turn, deciphering each other's fears over the space of the cafe floor. One phantom, the other a reality sitting with his two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side, with his two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side. That old sage tell me a tale or two of his wonderful life. There's problems that he's been through, his happiness is his dreams, his expectations when he was young. But now he is here with his two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side, with his two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side. The young man dreams of a woman so tender, like the old man's kind to have his children too. He sits and he wonders, had Sage any at all? Did he love like I wish to do, to give my all? With our two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side, with my two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side, molded in the heart of life as it moves on while time speeds through the fabric of the carpet wears, and treading on we are unaware that time is our master now. No youth with sparkling eyes sits now, his fresh young spark like lightning bright now gone, like lightning bright now gone. With my two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side, with his two sausages and half a tomato fried, a bread roll buttered on one side, It's obviously about breakfasts and stuff, and other more deep, meaningful things than breakfasts.